Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best staking coin on Kraken. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to earn passive reward on Kraken, some of the top staking coin are Ethereum for flexible and bonded options, also Cardano for easy weekly payout, and Polkadot for long-term exposure. You can also stake Solana, Tezos, Cosmos, and Kusuma for competitive APRs and network growth potential. These coins are all well-established proof to stake network with weekly reward, and Kraken offer both flexible and locked staking option. Keep in mind that bonded staking locks your token for a period and reward can fluctuate. If this helped, hit the subscribe button for more quick crypto guide and comment which staking coin you were planning to try. And that's it.